Hi everyone, my name is Nurse Jane Chuku, the CEO of Jane Chuk's Me Spices, and right now I'm here to give you the prescription of how you can use our products. I have gotten reports that a lot of clients are arguing with our ambassadors based on the prescription. So immediately you buy our products, this video will be sent to you. So we have three products in the market. We have Jane Chuk's Me Spices Multipurpose, Jane Chooks Me Spices for women, Jane Chooks Me Spices for men. Now, Jane Chooks Me Spices multipurpose is used for all kinds of disease condition and by everyone. That is why it's called multipurpose. Jane Chooks Me Spices for women is used only by women, and Jane Chooks Me Spices for men is used only for men. Now, if you're a first-time user of our products, listen, if you're a first-time user of our products, you will use this product for 3 months before being introduced to any of this, and that's for only male and female who are adults. These products are not used by elderly people or children. However, remember, multipurpose is the one used by everyone, both infants, children, and pregnant women, adults, and young persons. But for men and for women is only used by adults, not for elderly people or for children right now. So how do you know the right measurements or what to use Jane Chooks Me Spices for? I have talked about chronic and acute conditions. Acute conditions are conditions that manifest within the first to 6 months of life. However, first 3 months to 6 months, okay? However, chronic conditions are conditions that manifest or have been in your body for 6 months, from 6 months upwards, maybe 2 years, 3 years, 1 year, 10 years, 20 years. You know yourself. I don't want you to argue when you want to purchase. It's better for you to buy our product, use it correctly, and get the results that you want or you need, because our priority is to make sure that you get the desired result. Now, for anyone who has an acute condition, you can buy maybe 5 packs of this product and use it. What are the acute conditions? Maybe you're having running stomach, you're having stomach ache, you're having headache, you're having dizziness, or your stomach is bloated, just minor issues. You're having just issues that are temporary. You can buy maybe 2 or 3 packs and then you use it and get a relief. But once that condition is chronic, meaning that condition has lasted for over 6 months, it can be as a result of hypertension, it can be a reproductive issue that has to do with painful menstruation, then we begin to talk about you treating your body with 15 packs of this product every month. I'm going to say it again, 15 packs of this product every month. Now, we will encourage you to buy as a chronic treatment, a chronic treatment that you want to do. We'll encourage you to buy as an ambassador 10 packs of this product. You will get it as an ambassador for 120,000. 15 packs, you will get it for 180,000 naira. However, if you're buying for a pack, you'll be buying it a pack for 15,000 naira. Now, how do you measure? For the measurement, this pack contains 14 adult spoon. And for people with chronic condition, you're going to be using 7 spoon. 7 spoon. You measure with this, 7 of this spoon. This spoon, you use it to measure 7 of these products. And then you put it inside a clean kettle, turn 60 cl of water into that kettle and boil it gently for 15 minutes. You filter it and you drink it all. Then later, the next day, maybe in the morning, if you boiled it in the morning with 60 cl, when you're boiling in the night, you boil with 30 cl. So, and then after boiling with 30 cl, you filter, you drink. You only boil our tea twice, then you discard it. If you have a garden, you can throw it in a garden or use it for your fertilizer of anything that you're doing. It is very good when it comes to plants and vegetables. All right, then let's talk about these products. Let's talk about for men, for women. These are used for people without chronic condition or people who have maybe minor issues that are not growth. If you have growth like fibroid ovarian cyst, we will encourage you not to use this. Don't use for women. Stick with multipurpose. And please, For most of you who have reached out to our ambassadors, you always hear them tell you to give us a scan. The reason why we want you to give us a medical result of your ailments is so that we can give you the right product for the right result that you're aiming for. So if you are spending that money to buy our product, please do well to follow our prescription, because we're interested in your testimonies. We've had a lot of reviews, we've had a lot of testimonies from different people who have had cancers, who have had different ailments, different chronic conditions, liver issue, kidney problem, heart problem, arthritis, muscle issues, skeletal issues, blood disease, different kinds of disease. Those who have had immune related conditions, autoimmune conditions, who are always treating for malaria, typhoid at every time. We've had them several times and they've used our product and they've testified to our product. Also, we've had several, over 100 persons who have used Gentrix Meat Spices Multipurpose to birth fibroid. We have several reviews of this fibroid birthed from our clients, but you must use the correct measurement. You must use the correct prescription. 7 spoons in 60 cl of water. And because this pack contains 14 spoons, so to use you need to use 15 packs of it, because each 7 spoon is used for a day. So a pack like this can only sustain you for 2 days. So for 30 days, you will need 15 packs. And that's the right treatment, prescription, or guideline for anyone treating any form of chronic condition. Thank you.